Hello everyone, we are excited to announce we have renewed our partnership with the Sacramento SPCA, our open house, open heart program. This is where each and every single month our team sponsors one of the beautiful adoptables at the Sacramento SPCA.
And at the same time, we showcase one of our listings, but we wanted to change things up a little bit for 2024. And instead of showing the whole property, we're just gonna choose one of our favorite places so that you guys can check it out and enjoy it. But in the meantime, let's go to the shelter to see what Christy Merriman has in store for us.
Hey everyone, it's Christy at the Sacramento SPCA, and we're so excited to announce our first animal that will be sponsored for our Open House, Open Heart partnership with Nick Sadik, Sotheby's International Realty, with my friends Tatiana and Tony. Our animal of the month is Beethoven, and when I tell you he is a huge dog, he is a huge dog. He is a Mastiff. He's 5 years old, 123 pounds. So if you want a human-sized dog, Beethoven is definitely a match for you. Super fun-loving, playful, would do well with other dogs in the home, and just would be a really great match, especially if you're trying to exercise for the new year and get outside with your new pet. So we're so excited to highlight Beethoven and get him a new home for the new year. And now we're gonna take it back over to Tatiana and Tony, who are at Sierra Oaks Vista at an amazing property for them to share with you.
Well, thank you so much, Christy, for sharing Beethoven with us. He is absolutely adorable. And folks, he's also available to be adopted. So go to the Sacramento SPCA and see if Beethoven will be a match for you and your family. And right now, we are at a magnificent estate located in the Sierra Oaks Vista neighborhood in Sacramento, California.
This home sits in almost 5,200 square feet, has 6 bedrooms, an office, 6.5 bathrooms, and sits on over half an acre. When you enter the home, what first strikes you is the foyer with the dazzling chandelier and marble flooring. But my favorite space sits at the end of the upstairs hall. The primary retreat is spacious with a fireplace, seating area, and a romantic private balcony overlooking the backyard and sparkling pool.
As much as I love the layout of the home, my favorite feature is the backyard. It's such a huge space that offers an expansive yard, a deep pool for the best cannonballs, a built-in barbecue, a sports court, which is going to be perfect for pickleball, and a jacuzzi for relaxing.
Want a private tour of this magnificent estate? Contact our team through the link below, and let's get you on the showing schedule.